sorry, I said that, so there is a BWH and BWK, understood? It means it's a hot desert, and it means it is what? Cold desert. And hot desert, why do the hot deserts are forming? Hot desert क्यों बनता है? Just tell me. Due to the what? Cold ocean current. Generally there is a cold ocean currents. Hot deserts of the world are forming I said that BWH, BWK, and there is a BSH and BSK. Shall I start? I will make the map of the world. So I said that BWH and therefore I said that BWH are like in the form of, it is, I said that BWH, one is what? BWH, one is BWH, one is BWH, 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 BWH. And you know that what is the temperature? यहाँ पे throughout the year temperature is very high. लेकिन ये बनता क्यों है? Yes, इसके लिए पहले आप लिखेंगे, पहले BWH and BWK क्यों बनता है? Rainfall is less than, it is in a dry climate ना. B is what? B is what? Dry climate, and it has been divided into BWH and BWK along with the BSH and BSK. So I said that rainfall is less than 25 centimeter. Why? The two factors are there. Which are the two factors? Cold ocean current, cold current, and then second factor is, I said that subtropical high pressure belt, means air is descending. Cold ocean current, and I said that therefore the wind is moving away from the coast. The coastal rainfall is not happening. Yes, and thereafter I said the subtropical high pressure belt, and if you see the cold California current, this is in a cold Peruvian current, cold Canary current, cold Benguela current, and here it is, I said that this one is cold West Australian current, or ye is subtropical high pressure belt. Understood it? So therefore these are the deserts. Yes, BWH is able to clear? Yes. Now BWK, shall I remove? Yes. BWK, if I am talking about, I said Gobi Desert, Taklamakan Desert, means there is if I am talking about the deserts which are in the colder region, Patagonia Desert, which are the deserts I am talking about? So, ये क्यों बन रहा है? They are forming due to, these are the due to two factors. एक तो ये temperate में है, and the one reason है, आप यहाँ से जैसे जैसे यहाँ पे तो एक तो माउंटेन है, तो अंदर जाएंगे तो क्या रेनफॉल रिड्यूस हो जाएगा माउंटेन की वजह से, लीवार्ड इफेक्ट दूसरे साइड, एंड देन इंटीरियर ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंटलिटी, जितना अंदर आप जाएंगे रेनफॉल कीप ऑन रिड्यूसिंग. सो एंड इट इज इन अ कोल्डर रीजन, देयरफॉर इट इज इन अ व्हिच काइंड ऑफ इट is in a cold desert. So BWK is in a cold desert, and it is forming due to leeward effect. And second one, I said that interior continentality. Understood? BWH and BWK. Got it? BWH, BWK. And then BSH. I said that this is your Pampas, prairie, steppe, downs, and this is, I said that, veld. Understood? These are the temperate grassland, steppe type of. कौन सा region? Now tell me, this is clear. So I am talking about which region will be hot and which region, in this region which region will be hot. स्टेपी का कौन सा रीजन हॉट होगा, सदर्न और नॉर्दर्न? प्रेरी का. यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर ज्यादा होगा तो आई से दैट इज द ट्री एंड दिस इज आई सेड दैट. समझ में आ रहा है? यस और नॉट? BSH, स्टेपी में ही सम रीजन विल बी हॉट एंड सम रीजन विल बी कोल्ड. BSH एंड दिस इज BSK. जो इक्वेटर के पास होंगे वो BSH होगा. And there is it is also BSH and that is what BSK in the Argentina, Pampas. और इन दोनों में हम लोग इतना ज्यादा नहीं कहेंगे, ये अपने आप में 4 ही रखो तो इट इज 3 रख दो और 4 भी रख दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. The steppe region which is near to the equator, the steppe region which is near to the equator, that will be BSH. And the steppe, H का मतलब ही होता है low latitude and K means high latitude. तो ये क्या होगा? That will be at high latitude, that will be at what? Low latitude. So BSH, steppe region, yes, steppe region कहाँ पे बोला मैंने? Steppe region near equator. And then steppe region away from equator. Understood it? इस रीजन में जो रेनफॉल होता है लेस देन 25 सेंटीमीटर, और यहां पे जो रेनफॉल होता है दैट इज 40 to 60 सेंटीमीटर. So we have to talk about this B type of climate is on the basis of what? Dry climate rainfall. Understood it? Yes.